Alrighty, so this is an example of looking at modelling linear growth and decay. So if you're working from the textbook, it's from 8D, and the notes can obviously be found online. So working through this question just as a quick example to brush up for us. It's asking what's the purchase price of the sewing machine first, and we take a look at the information we've already been given. So we're looking at the value of a sewing machine after n years, okay, and Vn is then equal to 1700 minus 212.5 n, okay, and n referring to the number of years of use that the sewing machine has. So first bit, part A, asks us what the purchase price of the sewing machine is. So looking at that, we should recognise that that would be V0. So part A is going to mean that V0 is $1,700 is the starting price of the sewing machine. Part B is by how much is a sewing machine depreciating each year in dollars, and we should recognise that as being the rate at which it depreciates. So for every year we've got a rate of depreciation. You can see it's subtracted there from the initial cost, so the rate of depreciation becomes 212.5, more accurately 212.50. So for every year of use it loses $212.50 in its value. Okay. Moving on, use the rule to find the value of the sewing machine after 4 years. Hopefully we recognise this as a simple substitution. So we will take our equation of Vn equals 1700 minus 212.5 n, and then we want to let n equal 4 because we're told in the question that, or we're asked in the question for the price of the machine after 4 years, and n representing the number of years that the machine's in use. So take all that, we get Vn equals 1700 minus 212.5 times 4. Once you've worked that out on the calculator, you get an answer of $850. Exactly. Next part of the question asks us for the cost after 8 years again. So part D, similar to part C, asks us to substitute 8 into the equation. So V of 8 will equal 1700 minus 212, going to run out of room here, 50 times 8. That all equals $0. So after 8 years, the sewing machine has no worth whatsoever. So if you tried to sell it, you're apparently going to get nothing back for that question. And that's it for 8D and modelling some of the simple interest and investment loans, or that's depreciation in that case.